This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your preferred browser because Facebook's app doesn't offer a true Incognito tab. This lets you avoid stored cookies and history. Once done, open a new private or Incognito window. On Chrome, select New Incognito Window. On Edge, choose In Private. On Safari, choose Private Browsing. Make sure you are signed out of Facebook first. If not, sign out now. This step isolates the session and prevents local history or cookies from persisting after you close the window. Now, in that private window, go to Facebook. Calm and sign in as you normally would. You're doing this inside Incognito so the browser won't keep cookies long-term. When prompted, decline any option to save passwords or remember your login. This prevents credentials from being stored. Also, make sure to disable or avoid extensions that could capture browsing data. They run in private windows unless explicitly allowed. By controlling extensions and save prompts, you reduce traces and keep the session isolated. To finish, close the entire private window. Don't just close tabs, because that action clears session cookies and local storage created during the visit. If you notice activity remains or login persists, make sure you actually used a private window. Sometimes extensions or being logged in elsewhere sync sessions across devices. As a troubleshooting tip, clear cookies specifically for Facebook. Calm and restart the browser. This forces a fresh sign-in and resolves most issues where session data appears to linger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.